Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to delete custom sticker from Android. So you have to just simply go to your message box and there you can find sticker. So open it. So open the chat of anyone message and click to text message, and there is the option of sticker. So click to sticker and select anyone. So it will be converting to MMS. So I will again change the sticker. So you have to just simply, there is on the top right sticker corner cross button, so click it. So when you will click it, it will be removed automatically. So this is how to delete sticker from Android simply. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.